Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can start a study plan over LeetCode. If you want to study some particular topics, LeetCode provides you with a proper study plan that you can access and learn from it. So all you need to do is to get the one. Just simply open the LeetCode, and this is the basic LeetCode interface. You all have been being familiar with this one. And now here on the top left corner, on the top window, you're gonna find this option of problem. Just simply go there. Once you go there, just wait for some time to it gets load. Now here you're gonna see this a big window, and another option which says here says unfold. Just simply tap over here, and here you're gonna find this option says study plan. Just simply tap over it. Once you do that, you're gonna find all the study plans available on LeetCode that you can access for free. Yes, you don't need a premium subscriptions as well. So from here you can start any of the study plan so that your preparations will go very well. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.